some learning tests, but we're only doing is the last one. You don't see me doing class, so I'm going to do it. Circle for where I forgot the other one.
Alright. The rules is you have to find the large number first and circle.
I see them.
Next, the less number, and then write or draw circles.
Okay, then 1. Wait, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. I just only picked this 7.
Alright. First, find the large number.
Oh, this is the large number.
Very good.
Then
draw circle with the less number, and then go. Alright, go back
5.
to the next for 5 is 5,
6, 7, 8, 9.
So what's the answer?
9, because
very good.
9.
There in the box.
Oh yeah, in the box.
9.
Oh, 9. I forgot. This now 9. 9 is, oh, I know. Like this.
Alright, so next,
okay.
find the large number and circle.
That's the large number.
Less number. Then go back to large number 6. What comes next for 6?
6. 6. 7. 8.
So the answer is
8.
very good. Great job. So next, large number, circle it. Then the less number, draw circles. Then go back to large. Then 8. What comes next for 8?
8, 9, 10.
Very good. So 8 plus 2 equals
10.
Right, next. So find the large number and circle. Less number, draw circles. Then
1, 2, 3, 4.
very good. Go back to large number.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. So the answer is
9.
so 5 plus 4 equals
9.
great job.